Overheating can leave you stranded, stressed, and facing costly repairs, especially in the summer. But the good news? It's avoidable. Here are 15 smart things you can do now to prevent your car from overheating later. Let's break it down before your engine breaks down. 1. Test your radiator cap for proper pressure. A weak or worn radiator cap can't hold pressure, which causes coolant to boil and overflow. Get it pressure tested. It's cheap, fast, and often overlooked. 2. Bleed your cooling system. After any service, air pockets in the cooling system can block flow and spike temperatures. After any coolant top-off or hose change, bleed the system properly to remove trapped air. 3. Flush out rust from the heater core. Your heater core doubles as a cooling assist. If it's clogged with rust or gunk, your coolant loop won't flow right. Flush it, especially in older cars. 4. Clean debris from the radiator fins. Leaves, bugs, and dirt reduce airflow across your radiator. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean the fins and keep the cooling efficiency high. 5. Check for soft upper or lower radiator hoses. Hoses that feel squishy when warm are deteriorating internally. They may collapse under pressure and cut off coolant flow. Replace them before they fail. 6. Confirm your thermostat opens at the right temp. If your thermostat opens late or sticks shut, your engine will overheat fast. You can test it in boiling water, or replace it with a performance version that opens sooner. 7. Inspect the overflow hose for leaks or cracks. That small hose running from your radiator to the overflow tank? If it's leaking or cracked, your coolant won't cycle properly, and overheating isn't far behind. 8. Make sure the radiator fan kicks on with a CUs. With the AC on, your fan should run, even when the engine's cold. If it doesn't, the fan switch or relay might be failing and your car will cook in traffic. 9. Secure loose or missing radiator shrouds. Those plastic pieces around the radiator aren't just decoration. They channel airflow, and without them, your fan can't do its job properly. 10. Use the right coolant mix for your climate. Too much water in your mix equals faster boiling. Check your coolant ratio and stick to a 50-50 mix, or 60-40 for extreme heat zones. 11th. Check for tiny head gasket leaks. Using a block tester. Combustion gases in your coolant mean a failing head gasket, a silent cause of overheating. A $40 block test kit can catch it early before major damage sets in. 12. Watch for steam from the reservoir, not just the radiator. Steam from the overflow tank means your system's boiling, even if the temp gauge hasn't maxed out. If it's bubbling, it's overheating. Shut it down and inspect it. 13. Replace your water pump if the weep hole leaks. That small hole under the water pump? If it's dripping, the seal's going bad, and soon your coolant won't circulate at all. 14. Install a manual fan override switch for older vehicles. In older cars, adding a switch to manually activate the fan gives you control, especially in slow traffic or uphill climbs. 15th. Scan for fault codes that affect temp sensors. Your temperature gauge is only as accurate as its sensor. If a sensor is reading wrong or unplugged, your car may overheat without warning. So scan for hidden faults with an OBD2 reader, and there you have it. Overheating doesn't have to catch you off guard. A little prep now can save your engine, your time, and your wallet when that next heat wave hits. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Like this video, if you've ever had to wait on the roadside with steam pouring out, subscribe for more real-world car tips and comment below. Which of these are you checking first this week? Stay cool, stay safe, and stay one step ahead of the heat.